Jadi dah. Hidup lah. Tiap tahun lah.
Tak gila.
Okay, we're finished with our decades, right? And closure decades. Select and closure. Just to avoid confusion, I remove this. Enclosure is always measured by this clip. You must always connect this to the non-earth. Where is the non-earth? There's a label non-earth. I will teach you later in the real equipment where is the non-earth. Turn on the machine, of course. So that is 72. Right? Patient leakage. Patient leakage is here more. You need to select how many leads are you going to connect. This one or this 10? 3. Select. No, the color is important. The order. This is yellow. Red. Green. 1, 2, 3.
Dia kat hitam tu ada tulisan. Kau tekan biru,
Red, green, yellow.
so kau tunjuk screen.
Let's turn it first. What? It's only 1, 2, 3 here.
Cuba bantu. Cuba bantu tak jadi.
So red, green, yellow.
Yang ni color is important.
If I remove this to avoid confusion, this is not needed. Patient
Leakage
So
test.
only the red part. Patient
Banyak lah sebab banyak bawa nota.
3. Select.
Ribat.
Always combine this one AC plus DC. What else should I do?
Apa dia no?
Is this the leakage now? 0.3?
Yes.
No.
No.
What else should I do? Actually, even if when you graduate from this training, you will always do that thing. You will always forget. And all the trainees who come here always forget to turn on the machine.
Kalau naik.
Ya naik. Tadi jadi tadi 0.3, sekarang 62.3.
Okay, that is the leakage. You can see it selected 3. That is the leakage of all combined. I don't use the term again, the sum of the leakage. And that one does not apply anymore, that formula. This is the leakage of all the 3, all combined. So when you want to measure separate leakage of this, then you select only the particular one. For example, this one, which is RA. So 40.9 is the leakage of RA. So you can verify, you remove RA, no more. So it's like that. So don't add this leakage, you will not get the total. So that is the leakage of LL, the green one. And that is the leakage of LA. So if you select all of this, that is the leakage of all combined. Combined leakage. Okay, let's do patient auxiliary.
Aisyah tak tahulah. Kita tengok ni lah. Banyak nanti.
So patient auxiliary, just select patient auxiliary like that. Of course, all must be connected.
Dah auto lah tu. Kita pilih je.
So what is the definition of patient auxiliary? Patient between parts. So you can see the flat part, there are 10, and one is separated from the rest. Down here meaning this, and all of these are connected together. This one is separated. So there is now a current between this and all. So this is one, all are connected now. So there's leakage which is that value is equals to AC. That value 13.5. Now what is the leakage of LL and the rest? We just call it like that. LL and the rest. The rest meaning whatever you did not select, the rest. So that's 5.6. You can change that. That's the leakage of LA and the rest, almost zero. But there's nothing connected there, of course. This is the meaning of patient auxiliary. No more, right? One more. MAP. MAP is here. You select 3, select, and it's there. Just press MAP. MAP. So always if there's an instruction like this, just follow, press push. Yes.
What is
MAP.
MAP.
What?
Oh, man.
MAP.
Means.
It can be on, it can be off. Actually, you are required to do all the combination. It can be off. And you can measure the leakage MAP while it's off. It can be like that. Because take note that MAP, the leakage is coming from another equipment, right? So the status of that equipment, the main equipment can be on, can be off. The source can be on, can be off. All kinds of combination. Okay, we are finished here. Another standard, this one. What is an equipment current? Equipment leakage current. First we put that, right? So you notice something here? No more earth leakage enclosure. No more here. This is standard. This is 253. What you have is equipment leakage. There is no earth leakage. There is no patient leakage. Is equipment leakage. So what is equipment leakage? The leakage of the equipment.
Yes.
No answer? I think you failed the exam yesterday. Why you cannot answer?
Direct.
Oh, not in the exam. I think your exam is very easy. Like something like, what is the meaning of IEC? So nonsense question.
That's the
If I'm the one
question.
giving that exam, that is a nonsense question. Not relevant.
Should be Mr. lah. Duduk sana.
Better ask, according to IEC still what is the leakage current allowed for class 1 equipment?
Class 1
All of you
earth
will fail.
enclosure.
So it's good I'm not the one giving the exam, right? Otherwise you will all fail. Equipment leakage. Under 60601 standard, these are the leakage, right? 5. 60353, there's only one leakage, it's called equipment leakage. Which is all of this combined and measured one time. It is called equipment leakage. Okay? So is there an earth leakage there? Yes. Yeah, right.
Ah,
Yes.
yes.
How about pressure leakage? Yes, it's there.
Yes.
So all of these three leakage is now called equipment
Equipment
leakage.
leakage current.
Habis saya jawab dulu.
Equipment leakage current.
Semalam tak faham.
So which one is a higher value? Equipment leakage or earth leakage? Higher value.
Higher value.
Equipment. No.
Most likely equipment because
It's
it
combined.
includes this. If the equipment you're testing don't have a proper part, so this is missing now. Maybe it has an enclosure. How about if it doesn't have enclosure? Then earth leakage is equal to equipment leakage. Correct. Of course not. How about patient auxiliary? What is the equivalent under this standard 6.53?
Applied part leakage. No.
None. There is no such thing as patient auxiliary under this standard 6.53. How about mains on applied part? Under this standard, what is this? Mains on applied part? Yes, there is. It's called direct applied part or non-donation applied part. So what are these three methods of measurement?
Bawah dia dua standard nama dia.
Do I need to explain? No need, right?
Explain.
It was already explained there.
Yeah.
Ah, you said okay.
Explain.
Explain again. Oh, after this slide. How about 610? What is accessible voltage compared to 6001? What is this?
16.
Is the same as enclosure leakage?
Oh.
Okay? Different standard, different name. Same.
Memang sama. Sama je. Nama dia.
How about PAT is portable appliance test, non-medical equipment. Non-medical.
MAP.
It's called task current. What is this? Here, what is it?
Patient leakage.
Patient
Patient
leakage.
It's the same as enclosure leakage.
Also.
Non-medical equipment, there is no connection to the patient, like your washing machine. You connect to the patient. It's non-medical equipment, right?
Yeah.
There are many in your house. All of your equipment in your house are non-medical equipment.
Kan
There are also many in the
610 tu
hospital.
bukan untuk medical device.
Do you think all the equipment in the hospital are hospital equipment? No.
No.
For example, you go to a nurse station, you see a refrigerator, the fridge. That's not a medical equipment.
Buat saja nak beli.
It's a house equipment. PAT, appliance. Why direct method? This is direct method. Oh, by the way, all of these standards are all direct method of measurement. All. Only
direct
62353 has one more differential and alternative. All of these direct method. So I think that direct method is no need to explain. Right?
Okay.
You know how to use a multimeter, right? Yes. You want to measure voltage, you put the voltage and measure like this. It's a direct measurement. Direct. And of course, the other two are indirect measurement. Yes, correct. It's indirect measurement.
Yes.
And how is it being measured? Let's see. You have seen this one already, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is the medical equipment. This is the power cord of the medical equipment. And this is the electrical safety analyzer.
Okay.
So you plug the power cord of the equipment into the analyzer. That's why it's already inside the box. This red box.
Okay.
You measure the leakage. This is the analyzer. Measuring device, MD. That's the analyzer itself. What is this switch?
Switch
Closing.
off analyzer.
It's inside the analyzer, right? This switch.
Oh, inside.
It's inside. What is this?
Switch.
Yeah, switch. What does it do?
Connect the
I'm not asking the connection. What does it do?
Close. Open the circuit.
Open the earth.
Open the earth.
Disconnect the earth. Close, open. What does this switch do?
To connect.
reverse
Reverse
polarity.
polarity.
Anyway.
Because light will go to
Neutral.
So these are all inside this analyzer itself. So here you are measuring direct method. I mentioned a while ago patient leakage. Patient leakage is the applied part, right? Earth leakage. What is this part again?
Stray capacitor. Stray. Non-earth.
Non-earth.
Betul lah.
Sama je. Sama lah, sama je. Kita kat sana belajar lagi, kat sini belajar.
Stray capacitor.
Betul-betul sama je kau.
Macam mana?
What's your answer?
Stray.
Straight
What?
Stray capacitor.
Kau macam mana?
I think you mess up everything you learned there. You know what you're learning. Let's go back to this. Notice something here. This is called a single line diagram, right?
Single.
Simplified diagram. Single line diagram. If you notice, the applied part is connected to the earth, is connected to the non-earth. You remember something? Don't remember.
Connect the non-earth dengan earth. Okay.
This is the earth,
They connect
patient leakage,
Yes.
non-earth or enclosure, all connected together. Why? You forgot. You forgot something. It's just few minutes ago.
Sudah.
Just few minutes ago.
MVP.
These three leakage combined measured one time.
So, equipment leakage kan.
That's why you have this connection, all these three. This is ground. This is ground because if you follow like that, it's connected to earth. Non-earth, patient, all connected together. Okay? Combine. All combined together. I wrote this one. It doesn't mean physical connection. It depends on how they manufacture this one or how they design this one. Because it can be software. Why not measure separately and combined by the software? It's the same effect. Same effect as physically connecting them together.
Ada apa kat mana?
That's why I wrote there, not necessarily physical function can be solved.
Lagi dinamik. Sebab dia ada dekat dalam pen.
Okay, the right measurement is you want to measure,
Laptop.
just put, what is this?
Measurement device.
This is leakage, so what is it?
Measuring.
Yeah, measuring device is a very general term.
ESA.
Huh?
ESA 620.
What is this measuring device if you are measuring leakage? Only the answer is
Multimeter lah. Mana?
Dia nak tengok bikin bodoh ke tak.
That's the answer.
Let's see. Louder.
Put the micrometer. Can be that one. But of course, this is the analyzer.
I see.
That's the micro A. Press micro A. Measuring leakage. Now is this one. This analyzer in the leakage mode is a micrometer. So that's direct measurement. Differential. Where is the measuring device here? It's not needed. Because this is differential method. This is the measuring device. What is this?
Measuring device.
They didn't explain to you what is it.
Apa?
Differential method.
The different between output and input.
Kan tu je lah kan?
Where is the output?
Teori.
You said input. Where is the input? Where is the output? No, that's your word, not my word. You heard it from somebody? Who said that? Professor J? Where? Because it's not the first one also like that. Input and output something. Even previous trainees. So I think somebody
Dia yang
told.
cakap satu.
Is it being told in the theory?
Ya. Ya.
Next theory.
That is still. That's the theory we learn.
Let's not talk about input and output because it's confusing. It's confusing term. That's why you cannot answer when I say where is the input, where is the output. See? So when we analyze current, we always start at the live wire, right? So current is delivered to the machine and returned by the neutral. Maybe that's what you want to say, input and output. But don't do like that, it's confusing. Neutral has a different name, sometimes it's called return. Return conductor because it returns the current. This one you send the current live, return the current to the neutral. But maybe input and output is a Malaysian English. Sometimes you can understand each other, but I cannot understand you. Because you use different words have the same different meaning sometimes for you. So it's better to show this using a video. What? Food ready?